Alex Hayes wants to know, what if the IRS files a substitute for return for you? An SFR, that's a tax return the IRS will file for you if you don't file your tax return yourself. What if the IRS does one of those, files a substitute for return, and it shows a higher bill, okay, than you paid in? Do you just file to set the record straight? Yeah, I mean, if the IRS files a substitute return showing a higher tax liability, then you know you owe, right? It's usually because the IRS isn't giving you any of those sweet deductions like itemized deductions or business deductions. Then yeah, it's typically in your best interest to file that return to set the record straight. Okay. Now, keep in mind, when you file that SFR protest return, right, that return to replace the IRS's SFR, those returns go to and are processed by a special unit at the IRS. Okay. It's a special SFR processing unit. Okay. And they tend to look at those returns with a higher degree of scrutiny than if you had filed a tax return without the IRS having done an SFR. Okay. So you want to be really careful in how you approach this, right? Because sometimes, people, they don't have the best records. They're kind of piecing things together, and then they get slapped, right? Because the SFR processing unit, they saw something on the return that didn't seem to add up, and they get slapped, with an audit or something, or that return is rejected as frivolous, or, any number of bad things. Okay. You want to file your tax. If you're behind on taxes, you want to start filing those before the IRS does that SFR thing. Okay. But if the IRS has done the SFRs against you, you can still file, right, to replace those SFR assessments. But keep in mind, the returns you file to protest the SFRs are going to be scrutinized. Okay. So you want to be careful how you approach that. All right. Folks, I have a whole video about the IRS SFR process, okay, and about SFRs in general. I'll link those videos over here on this side of the screen. Folks, if you have multiple years of unfiled tax returns, whether or not the IRS has already begun SFR proceedings against you, you qualify for a free consultation with us here at Choice Tax Relief. Give us a call, 866-8000-TAX, 866-8000-829, or you can go to choicetaxrelief.com, fill out the form on our website. We will reach out to you.